What's up, guys? It's your boy Jake, also known as Lawst here. Wait, hold on, let me put this on a tripod. Alright, that's much better. Alright guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this product. It's called Shine Armor. Specifically, this product is going to be the graphene ceramic spray. Basically, this is like a wax for your car. Now, this package did come with the spray, obviously, the pump for the spray bottle, and then 2 microfiber cloths. So today, my car is looking really crusty, so we're going to go out there. We're going to rinse it off. Unfortunately, my pressure washer is broken, so we're going to have to be doing this all by hose and hand and whatnot. But yeah, we're going to rinse this off, we're going to clean it up, and then we're going to throw this wax on afterwards. I'll show you guys step by step how to do that, and I'm going to show you guys the finished result as well. Thankfully, pollination season is almost over. My car looks disgusting right now because of it. But yeah, hopefully this will make it look a lot better, and it'll protect it from whatever else. So let's just get on with it. Alright, so you came outside. I'm probably going to have to throw these on the workbench real quick. Also, my brother just pulled up, so I guess we're gonna have to move his car real quick to the side, and then we'll get down to business, you know? Now that we got my brother's car moved out of the way a little bit, we're going to fill up the bucket, we're going to rinse off the car, and then we're going to get to the product after we clean the car off, because that is the wax, so that's for afterwards. And yeah. Alright, so now that we cleaned the car off, all nice and clean, it's time to use the ceramic spray. So step number 1, spray Shine Armor ceramic spray into the microfiber towel. I got the microfiber towels right here. We're only going to use 1 for now. And then after, it says wipe the product onto the paint, allowing the surface to be fully covered, and then allow for it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. And then buff, I'll do that with the other microfiber towel. And then allow 4 hours to cure before exposure to elements. So yeah, so simply, we're just going to put the nozzle on here, put in the microfiber towel, apply the wax, and we're going to buff it out. And then before sunset, which is really soon honestly, we're going to see if we can go get some clips of the car, see if we can get a clip tomorrow of the car after testing out the wax. Well, we have daytime tomorrow. And yeah, so let's just see how this goes. Just like that, the car is all cleaned, waxed up, and then either later tonight or tomorrow we're gonna splash some water on there, test out the wax, and yeah. I just pulled up to the spot and I forgot to mention, my interior is also clean ash, because I just cleaned my interior a lot. Like, I just detailed it like literally yesterday, so it's really clean. I also found this little thing too. There's a light in that little cup holder. There's something blocking it. I just took it out, and now that light's a lot brighter, so now that looks a lot cooler as well. Simplest little mod. And yeah, let's just get right into the shoot. So I filled up this whole bucket. My car is looking all dry. It's the next day. I'm going to throw this bucket of water on there. I'm going to record the whole thing and see what happens after using the Shine Armor ceramic coat. Alright, let's see what happens. I can't lie to you guys right now. You just saw that, right? Yo, and then also look at the beading on there too. The water didn't stay at all. Look how shiny that is. And then the beading on there too, like the leftover water that actually stayed, like, look how perfectly that's just sitting on the paint. Like, don't tell me that didn't work that well. Like, come on now. This looks amazing. And boom, just like that, guys. That is the finished review on this product for my car. Honestly, this stuff looks really good. Like, I'm not even being biased right now. Like, I just think it looked amazing. Like, it really finished well on my car. It is pollen season right now, so I'm not expecting this to last too long. I mean, the wax I'm not going to use for a while, but like this wash, I'm definitely going to go again. Definitely going to use this product once again. Really good wax, really finished well on the car. I really approve it. If you guys are interested in buying this product for yourself, yo, check the description down below. Use code LAWST at checkout. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. I love y'all. Peace out.